In this video, I'll tell you what to do if ChatGPT keeps showing a too many requests message, especially when you can click OK and continue using the same conversation normally. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and leave a like under this video. Start with a full refresh of the ChatGPT page by pressing Ctrl, Shift and R together. If the pop-up was caused by a temporary session or page loading issue, this may be enough to stop it from appearing again. If the message mainly shows up inside one specific conversation, create a fresh chat and test ChatGPT there. This is especially worth trying when the original conversation is extremely long or already contains a huge number of messages. Next, sign out of your ChatGPT account and log back in. If the problem continues, clear the browser cache and cookies connected to ChatGPT, then reopen the website. Browser extensions can also interfere with how the page works, so temporarily disable things like ad blockers, privacy extensions, and other add-ons that modify websites. You can also open ChatGPT in an incognito window to quickly test whether one of your normal browser extensions is involved. If you use a VPN, proxy, or secure DNS, turn it off temporarily and check ChatGPT again because these services can sometimes affect the connection. It is also worth checking the OpenAI status page to see whether ChatGPT is currently experiencing problems. There have been periods where some requests were temporarily rejected even though trying again moments later worked normally. If nothing else helps, open ChatGPT in another browser or test it using a different internet connection. That can help you figure out whether the issue is connected to your current browser profile or your network. I would not automatically assume that this particular pop-up means you have used up some account limit, especially when you can dismiss it and immediately continue chatting. In that situation, testing the session, browser, and connection first makes much more sense. Thanks for watching. I would be very happy if you would become one of the subscribers of this channel. Check out the suggested videos and also leave a like under this video. See you soon.